Picked up a fixer-upper Range Rover. It's a 2006. Paid $2,000 for it. Supposedly had a bad trans, bad brakes, and bad air suspension. So far, I found out the air suspension is leaking. The brakes are spongy. I haven't checked them out. But most importantly, the transmission is not bad. It's the shifter. So we're gonna start by fixing the shifter. I'm gonna try to loosen up this nut, 13 millimeter, and counter hold this one here, which is 21 millimeter, so it doesn't break the shifter because it's rusted. Then I'm gonna attempt an adjustment. If that worked, then that's good. If not, we gotta change this, because what happens is when you're driving, the transmission will come out of driving into neutral unless you hold the shifter all the way down. So they thought the transmission was slipping. So I'm gonna try to loosen up this and we'll go from there. So I got the 21 millimeter on here. Kind of doing it with one hand, so I'll give videotape. Yeah, that should be enough to get an adjustment. Alright, so since the transmission was not fully engaged in a drive, I had to push this forward toward the front of the vehicle. So you can see the rust mark. That's how much I pushed. I was able to get out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up right there and try it out. Honestly, that should do it, but we'll see. So I was able to move it about a 1/4 inch. Originally, the problem was you put it into drive, and over here it displays that D right over there. So when you drive, you turn a corner or you hit a bump or something, the lever stays in drive, so you don't notice the lever moves, but the D goes into neutral and then it kicks back into drive, so it feels like the transmission is slipping. And also, if you were to just do this, barely touch the shifter, you would notice that it would go into neutral. Now it doesn't do that anymore unless you put it into neutral and put it back into drive, and that solved the problem. Adjusting the linkage solved the problem.